Hello there. I'm Amanda Hoff with Howard County Tourism and Promotion, here today with Ed Lilly, our Welcome Center manager. I just got back from location at the Elkridge Furnace Inn, where Chef Dan Wecker prepared a preview of his Restaurant Week's menu. He was very sweet and sent all of the dishes back with me. So Ed and I are going to try these out and let you know how delicious it all is. What do we have here today, Ed?
Well, let's see. From the dinner menu, we have an appetizer that is escargot toulonnaise with leeks, garlic, shallots, and saffron on a French bread crostini.
Mm.
So we're going to try that.
Let me have a bite there.
It's very good.
That is delicious.
Our next item is from the lunch menu, appetizer, marinated shrimp with mignonette sauce, champagne vinegar, shallots, and fresh herbs. Another excellent choice. Salad with shrimp, nice and refreshing, very delicious. Our last item is from the entrees on the lunch menu, and it's spinach risotto cake, served in a pool of ratatouille vegetables with a garlic tomato sauce.
Now this looks like a vegetarian's dream.
Yeah.
Wow. Look at that spinach, probably fresh from the garden. Ooh. That is delicious. I will be back to the Elkridge Furnace Inn for this.